Hi student, in this problem we need to find out the HCF and LCM of 12, 21 and 15. This is a problem which appeared in the year 2020 as a MCQ problem, and in section A the marks is given as 1. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. So as here we need to find out the HCF and LCM of this given three number. So our first step is to do the prime factorization of each and every given number. So first we go ahead and take the number or integer as 12. Now see that 12 is divisible by 2. So therefore, if I take the factor 2 out, we get the remainder of the quotient as 6. Again, it is 6 is divisible by 2. So if I take that 2 out, it gives us 3. Now let's go ahead and do that 21. For 21, we can see that we can take 3 as a common factor, right? Or 3 is a factor. So if I take 3 as a factor out, with the quotient will be 7. Take 15. If I take 15, we take 3 and obviously the quotient is 5. Now see that as 3, 7 and 5 at the last step we obtained in the prime factorization of 12, 21 and 15 are prime number, and 2, 2, 5, 3, 7 and 3, 5 all are prime. So therefore prime factorization is done. Now let's go ahead. And rewrite that 12. So 12 is 2 2s and 3. So therefore it is 2 square and 3 to the power 1. For 21 is 3 into 7, so 3 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 1. For 15 is 3 into 5, so 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. So these are the prime factorization. To write down the LCM and HCF, first we have to write down all the distinct factors, prime factors between 12, 21 and 15. So that's why first we go ahead and try to observe how we find the LCM. To do so, we write down all the distinct factor. So here it's 2, 3, 5 and 7, right? That's it. Now to find the LCM, remember we need to find out the maximum available power in between all the number. So see that the maximum power of 2 in 12 is 2. Maximum power of 21 in 2 is 0 because that term is not there, and obviously for 15 that term is not there. So therefore the maximum power of 2 is 2. For 3 the maximum power definitely be 1. For 5 it's 1 again, and for 7 again it's 1. We are talking about the maximum power between all those given number. So now let's find out the product. So 2 2s are 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. So if you calculate, we see that 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 5 is 60. 60 into 7 is 420. So therefore our LCM we obtained as 420. Now let's go ahead and write down the HCF. To find out the HCF, we'll write down all the distinct factor as we perform or as we did in the case of LCM. But for LCM we need to find out, or we write down as a power of the maximum power. But for the HCF we go ahead and write the minimum power of every distinct factor. Now to write down, see that 2 is not present in all of the term. So that's why power of 2 will be 0. 3 present, 3 1, 5 is 0 and 7 is 0. So therefore we'll say that the HCF will be 2 into 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 1 is 3, and 5 0 and 7 0 are 1. Okay, that's it. So therefore the HCF is 3. So therefore 12, 21 and 15, the HCF is 3 and LCM is 420. So therefore for this particular problem it is obvious that option C is the correct answer. So that's it. Hope you understood the problem.